भगवते वासुदेवाय। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलम्.
So there is no question of thinking that in the sun planet there is no living being. There are living beings suitable for the planet. We learn from Brahma Samhita that Kotishu Vasudhadi Vibhuti Bhinnam. Vasudha means planet. There are innumerable planets in each and every universe. Jasa prabha prabhavato jagadanda koti. Kotishu asesa vasudhadi vibhuti bhinnam. This is only one universe. There are millions of universes also. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was requested by one devotee of Lord Chaitanya that, my dear Lord, you have come, kindly you take away all these conditioned souls. And if you think that they are horribly sinful, they cannot be delivered, then you transfer all these sins upon me, I shall suffer, you better take them away. This is Vaishnava philosophy. Vaishnava philosophy means that paradukha dukhi. Actually, a Vaishnava is unhappy by seeing others unhappy. Personally, he has no unhappiness. Because he is in contact with Krishna, how he can be unhappy? Personally, he has no unhappiness. But he becomes unhappy by seeing the conditioned soul unhappy. Paradukha dukhi. Therefore, Vasudev Ghosh, he requested Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that you deliver all these unhappy conditioned souls, and if you think they are sinful, they cannot be delivered, they transfer all the sins of these people to me, I shall suffer, and you take them away. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very much pleased by his proposition, and he smiled. He said that this Brahmanda, this universe, is only just like a mustard grain in the bag of a mustard seed. Our point is that there are so many universes. Just compare. You take a bag of mustard seeds and pick up one grain in comparison to the pack of mustard seeds. What is the value of this one grain? Similarly, this universe is like that. There are so many universes. The modern scientists, they are trying to go to other planets. Even they go, what is the credit there? There are Kotishu Vasudhadi Vibhuti Bhinnam. One cannot go. So many planets. Even according to their calculation, if they want to go to the topmost planet, which we call Brahmaloka, it will take 40,000 of years in the light year calculation. So, in God's creation, everything is unlimited. It is not limited with our perspective of knowledge. So, there are so many innumerable universes, innumerable planets, and there are innumerable living entities, and all of them are rotating according to their karma. And birth and death means changing one body to another. I make one plan that in this life, and because everyone is in the bodily concept of life. So long we are in the bodily concept of life. I am Brahmana, I am Kshatriya, I am Vaishya, I am Shudra, I am Indian, I am American, I am so and so. These are all bodily concept of life, designations. So long I am in bodily concept of life, I think I have got this duty to do. As Brahman, I have got to do such and such things. As American, I have got to do so many things. So long these consciousness will continue, we will have to accept another body. This is the nature's process. So long
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,